Here is a simple beef curry recipe that you can try at home. This recipe is from My Gorgeous Recipes. Ingredients: 500 grams stewing beef, 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, fresh ginger, oil for searing the beef and frying the onions. Spices: garam masala, turmeric, chili powder, bay leaves, cumin. Greek yogurt or cream or simple yogurt. Beef stock broth, tomatoes, salt and pepper. Instructions: in a pan, heat up the oil, add the cubed beef, season with salt and pepper, and brown. Remove it from the pan, and set aside. In the same pan, add the peeled and chopped onion, and frying on a low to medium heat until golden. Add the garlic, ginger and all the spices, and give it a good stir. Add the chopped tomatoes and leave to cook for about 5 minutes or so until slightly mushy. Throw in the cubed beef and stock, and leave to cook with the lid on, checking from time to time to make sure it doesn't dry up, and add enough beef stock until the meat is tender. Add the yogurt, season with salt and pepper, and garnish with fresh parsley or coriander. That's all for today. Happy cooking! See you next time.